My Thomann order came in. I get to do an unboxing. We have some damage. I don't know if the inner box is damaged, but the outside box. Got a little ding, got a little dent. Owie. 8 days. 8 days from Germany. Shocker. Let's see what we got. It's supposed to be a CST-24HB TOL. HB meaning hollow body. TOL meaning tree of life. Ooh. Staples work. They have issue already. This might not be good. As I open the box is slightly open with the neck end at the damage, with no packing whatsoever to let the box slide. Now last year about this time, I did order, come with me, a TE70 in rosewood, RW, rosewood veneer but gorgeous. Had one small blemish, but the inner box was damaged badly. Outer box was real damaged, but the inner box was taped up but badly damaged. Now, I was going to let this set for 24 hours, but it's only been 8 days. And since it isn't connected, I'm going to go ahead and pull her out of here the way she is. Get that out of my way. This video is probably going to be so long I won't be able to upload it. I don't hear nothing but the guitar rattling around. Okay, right off the bat, the guitar's not even sitting close in the packing. See a little bit of damage up here on the box to where the headstock point pointed through. Now I've seen a lot of these unboxed and they always have some sort of little ding up the top. I'm going to go ahead and pull the top off of it. Let's go ahead and unbox this puppy. Right off the bat, I'm going to get a good look at the headstock. I'm so excited. You excited, Bobby?
Yes, I'm excited.
Oh, you're excited. Okay. The crazy damage in the top wasn't from the point side of the headstock. It was from the low side of the headstock. Oh, I don't care. That looks pretty. Okay, here we go. Look at the tree of life. Not as colorful as mother toilet seat that I would have liked, but the inlay looks really, 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 really well done. That is some jumbo frets. It did say it had jumbo frets. Oh my God, it's perfect. It's what I got. Okay, here we go. Wish got the flame, and it's more of a honey color than a tobacco, unless that's the tobacco. That's a pretty guitar. I wanted an ES335 or the HB 335 hollow body. I wanted something with these Roswells, so I thought about the SE 550. And then I kind of like PRSs. So I kind of got it all in one. Like the volute. None of the tuners are crooked. The heel joint's great. The action looks really, 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 really low. Like, low. Let me breathe on him, see if I can play a note. Pickup height looks good. Kind of surprised the arch is really as archy as it is. What do you think, Bobby Brown?
I think she's pretty. She looks like a jar of honey.
She looks like a jar. A lot of pros. I see one con that I thought they didn't do, or I thought they did different. The inside of the back, the binding looks great around the F-holes, but the inside of the back isn't finished. There's not even a sealer on the inside of the back. And we got some ugly wiring going on. It does have, wow, coil split, so I can split the coils to single coils. Switch is a little Chinese. We will be changing the switch out. Push-pull pots are smooth. Imagine I get the paper out of there, we're gonna... Oh yeah, that's nice. Tone knob's nice and smooth. Got the plastic cover on the Roswells. They're gonna come off. We gotta get rid of them. Ooh. Body's a little smaller than I thought it'd be. Of course, it's not a TV. That may be why the action's so low. They've got it tuned down. The bridge actually sits up pretty doggone high. So that's actually a good thing, is if I ever had to lower the action, there's plenty of room to go down. I like it. You like it?
I like it.
I like it. I think it's pretty. Inlays are great. Let me come up to these inlays, just take one good look. The glue looks really pretty good everywhere. It just, I didn't get the red, green, and blue, and purple color toilet seat that I thought I might would have liked. But I like it. $200. It goes with my brown guitar collection. It's Harley-licious. Or, get Rosie out of the way. We go Dan. Brownie goes with it too. Too bad you can't play
Nice
two guitars at
accent.
once. Thanks for watching.